Good day. Thank you for calling MNC Internet Services. How may I help you today?
Uh, Hello.
Hello.
My internet
My internet's
suddenly
suddenly
disconnected.
disconnected.
So,
So,
I'm in the
I'm
middle
in
of
the
a
middle of
meeting
a
and I
meeting
really
and I
need
really
it
need
to be
it to
fixed
be
right now.
fixed right now.
I understand how urgent that is. Don't worry, I'll help you get back online. May I have your account number to check your connection?
Sure.
Sure.
So, my
So,
account
my
number
account number
is
is
two
two
one
one
four
four
five
five
seven eight.
seven eight.
Thank you. Please give me a second. Alright, I see your modem is online but not sending data. Let's try a quick reset. Can you unplug the modem for 15 seconds?
Okay.
Okay.
I will
I will
unplug it.
unplug it.
Give me a
Give me
second.
a second.
So,
So,
now I'm
now
plugging
I'm
it
plugging
back.
it back.
Can you check
Can
if
you
it's
check if
okay in
it's
your end?
okay in your end?
Great. Let's wait for the lights to stabilize. I can see your connection coming back. Please try browsing or join your meeting again.
Okay.
Okay.
Just wait.
Just
I'm
wait.
gonna try it.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
It's working now.
It's working now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy to help. If you have issues again, feel free to call us anytime. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is MNC Internet Services. May I speak with the customer?
Speaking.
Speaking.
How can I
How
help you?
can I help you?
I'm calling about the slow internet you reported yesterday. I'd like to check if your connection has improved after the adjustments.
Yes.
Yes.
The speed is
The speed
actually
is
much
actually
better
much
today.
better today.
Glad to hear that. Can you confirm if streaming or online meetings are working well?
Wait.
Wait.
Let me check
Let me
it
check it
real quick.
real quick.
So right
So
now,
right now
there's no
there's no
buffering
buffering
since ever
since
since
ever
this
since
morning.
this morning.
Great. I'll mark this case as resolved. If you have more issues, you can call anytime.
Thank you for
Thank you for
checking.
checking.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you for calling MNC Internet Services. How can I assist you?
Uh,
Uh,
Hi.
hi.
I just moved to a new
I
apartment,
just moved to a new
and
apartment,
I need my modem to be
and I need my
installed
modem to
right
be
now.
installed right now.
I can help you with that. May I have your new address?
My
My
new address
new
is
address is
Unit
Unit
5B,
5B,
Sunrise
Sunrise
Apartment, Matina.
Apartment, Matina.
Got it. The earliest schedule is today between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Does that work?
Yes, that
Yes, that
works.
works.
Great. The technician will install your modem, activate your line, and test the speed. You'll get a confirmation message shortly. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all.
No, that's
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Good afternoon. I'm calling to confirm that our technician has finished the modem installation.
Yes, he
Yes,
just
he
left.
just left.
The modem is
The
working
modem
well
is
now.
working well now.
Glad to hear. Before I close the job, can you confirm you can browse or stream without issues?
Uh,
Uh,
okay, wait.
okay, wait.
Checking right now.
Checking right now.
So right now,
So right now it's
everything's smooth.
everything's smooth.
Speed is good
Speed
too.
is good too.
Great. If you need anything else for billing, upgrades, or help, we are here 24/7.
Thank you. I
Thank you. I
appreciate it.
appreciate it.
You're welcome.